Alright guys, in this video I want to be showing you how to use Capcut Pro features for free and the negative aspect of it. You get my point? So you need to stay tuned and then watch this video, follow it step by step, then at the end you decide if you will use it or not. You get my point? So without wasting much time, let's dive in for the tutorial. Now make sure you have a picture you want to use, because I have to start by removing background. Import a picture you want to use to remove background, so that I will start by using the auto background remover, so you will see very well. So you can set the length at which you want the video to be using this picture. You tap on the layer, then drag it to your preferred length. So what you do next from here is to click on this navigation button. Now see overlay here, so you click on overlay, import the video you want to use right here. So I decided to use this particular video which I did this changing of clothes colors, understand? So if you want to watch the video, the link is right up here, so you can see the link somewhere here. So you can click on it and watch it. So when you are done with that, after importing the video, we tap at the end of the first layer to click and delete it. We don't need that one, so you set this particular place to make sure it aligns with the first layer and the second layer. So what we will do again is, from this point we will have to go to the remove background aspect of it. So you will see, now click on remove video, see auto remover here, tap on this auto remover, click on it, don't be scared. Allow it to remove 100%. So it's removed. You've seen now, it's beautiful, you like it. So guys, I still advise you to watch to the end of this video, so you'll be able to see the negative aspect of this process we are going. Understand? So when you are done with this one, you just click on this OK button here. You get my point? So you place two fingers on your screen, try to adjust it, expand it to make sure it fits to screen, depending on how you want the character to be. Like the size is what I'm talking about. You get my point? So guys, you will have to go back and then check on another pro effect. So I will show you that you can use a pro effect even if you've not subscribed to that pro version. You get my point? So now let's go and look for another pro effect. So look at it here, see relight. This is a pro feature. So now you click on this relight, just tap on this relight. You can use other ones, but I just choose to make this one so the video will not be too long. So let's select one of these feature here. So allow it to apply 100%. You get my point? Just let it apply. So if you've not liked this video, make sure you like this video. If you want me for private mentorship, guys, chat me on WhatsApp. My number is in the description of this video. Let's strike a deal. So now we just applied two pro features here on this particular video. So let's go and export the video. I want to show you something. Now when you click on export the video, this is how it's going to show you, to tell you that we have relight and remove background as pro features. So if you click on join Capcut, now it will tell you the price you will have to pay. Understand? Look at 9,900 naira per month and some other amount here below. Understand? So you see that the amount listed down here is not friendly. You get my point? We are beginners like this, so we need free stuffs to work on. So you click on this X button at the top left corner of the screen. You get my point? Let's go back to the main video. Now on the main video, now you have to enlarge the screen. How do you do that? You'll have to tap on this particular button right here. When you tap on this button, it's going to enlarge the screen, make it very big, something like what you are seeing on your screen. Now this is where you will have to activate your screen recorder. Understand? So you have to bring out your screen recorder. Alright, so let me do that now. Do you get my point? So see my screen recorder right here. So you click on the screen recorder to start recording your screen. Now you click on this play button to allow the video to play. Take note, you disable any notification on your phone. No call should come in by this time you are recording this video, so it will not have any issue with the video. Understand? I believe you understand what I'm trying to say from here. Understand? So when you are done with this video, when it's done playing, so you can now save the screen recorder to your gallery and not the main video you are editing right here on this Capcut, because that one will not be saved. It's only the screen recorder you will have to save to your gallery. Then this one, you will click on this X button here, understand, to go back. Now the next thing for you to do is to come back to Capcut, click on new project. So you'll have to import the screen recorded video here on Capcut. Tap on the video layer. Let's go and look for transform. You get my point? Let's go. Okay, click on transform, click on resize, tap on resize. So you have to use your fingers to crop this video. Just crop it. When you are done with that, you tap on this OK button right here. You get my point? So now you click on this navigation button. Then let's go and look for aspect ratio. Click on aspect ratio. Look at it right here. So you see this particular video is on 3:4. That's the size. So you can tap on it to expand it. Why you have this 3:4 is due to the image size you uploaded. The picture you uploaded has this 3:4 size. Understand? So everything will be through that aspect ratio. You get my point? So when you are done setting it, you can adjust it, you can play around with it, then you click on OK. So that is just it, guys. So now tap on the video layer right here. Understand? So what you do from here is you go to the ending part of it. Those parts you don't want to be included, you just click on split and delete the ending part of the video. You will have something like what you're seeing on your screen. You get my point? So this is just it, guys. So the next thing for you to do is to add, you have to add some filters here. Understand? So you go to adjust, just go and look for adjust, click on adjust. You will see brightness, see contrast, see saturation, see brilliance. All of them you'll be adding them 5. I just have to add 5 each of them. Like brilliant and brightness, I add 5. I'll go to contrast, I'll add 5. I'll go to sharpen, I'll add 5. You get my point? So it will help you bring back the video quality. So guys, when all this is done, you have to go and save the video, export it to your gallery. So guys, I'll be very honest with you on this. So if you are using a low quality phone, like an old outdated phone, understand, maybe the video quality, the camera is not good enough for you to even shoot. Understand? See, you don't even need to use that. You don't even need to do this, because your screen alone, recording it will also damage the video quality. That one, I don't know if you get my point. Now another thing is that if you are using sound to make your video, like somebody will say something and the other person will say something, now that particular sound, you don't expect it to come out, it will not be clear. Understand? It will not be clear, it will not be that good enough. It is only I would say it will be good if you want to go into something like this, like doing the screen recording. After using all the pro features, you will have to make sure you use a better phone, that the camera is up to date, at least, even if it's not 100%, but something better. You get my point? And that one is okay. Now I would say you should not even think of using the sound screen recording and then using the sound you screen recorded, because it's just like you speaking to me through a phone and then I'm recording through a phone. I don't know if you get my point. It will not be that clear enough for your video. Understand? So that is those two things I want to let you know, so you will not say it's not working for me, my video quality is not going too well. You should know this before you go into it. You get my point? But outside all those ones I'm saying, you can record your video, you can follow this process and then you do it. So guys, please like and share this video, comment if you have any issue again in the comment section. Let me know, I'll be there to assist you 100%. You get my point? So if you've not subscribed to this channel, do well to hit the subscribe button so you won't be left out whenever we drop another amazing video tutorials here on this channel. You get my point? All right guys, so see you in our next video.